Most people have a side hustle idea. Almost nobody has the machine that turns it into a real check. I spent weeks on this list. 32 machines, 15 made the cut. Drop a comment, which one do you already own? Subscribe for honest reviews. Number 1 started more businesses this year than anything else on this list. Number 15, VEVOR Button Maker. VEVOR Button Maker, $80. 3 sizes, 1 machine. Stamp custom buttons for events, markets, fundraisers. Materials cost pennies. Buttons sell for $1 to $3 each. A friend at the local flea market runs one of these. Takes up less space than a shoebox. Earns $300 before noon. This is where the list starts. Number 14, VEVOR Tumbler Heat Press. VEVOR Tumbler Heat Press, $82. If you've seen those custom insulated cups all over social media, this is how they're made. Wraps a sublimation design around any tumbler from 11 to 30 ounces. I ran 1 cup through on my first try and it came out clean. My neighbor was selling custom tumblers within 2 weeks of buying this machine. Number 13, Let's Resin UV Kit. Let's Resin UV Resin Kit, $28. 153 pieces. UV lamp, molds, pigments, everything to start. You pour, cure, sell. Resin keychains and earrings are consistently top sellers at craft fairs. Cost per unit under $1. Selling price $4 to $12. $28 is the cheapest business entry on this entire list. Number 12, VEVOR Hot Dog Roller. VEVOR Hot Dog Roller, $170. 30 dogs at once, dual temperature controls, 1800 watts. This is farmer's market money. Hot dogs cost 50 cents, sell for $3 to $4 each. No training, no commercial kitchen, just an outdoor permit. I watched one earn $800 on a single Saturday. Top 10. The last 5 were the warm-up. From here, every machine on this list could be someone's full-time income. Subscribe, you'll want to see how this ends. Number 11, CRICUT Maker 4. CRICUT Maker 4, $399. Cuts vinyl, iron-on, paper, leather, fabric. Over 200 materials total. Custom stickers, decals, shirts, signs, tote bags, keychains. One machine covers almost every product a small business sells. My sister started with a CRICUT. Her custom decal shop now ships 30 orders a week. The Maker 4 is the version that handles everything without fighting you. Number 10, Brother SE700. Brother SE700, $580. Sewing and embroidery in one machine. Custom embroidered hats, polos, patches. This is the machine behind the personalized hat business that charges $40 a cap. I tested a basic logo on this. First clean result in 20 minutes. An hour in, I had a production rhythm going. Wireless, easy to transfer designs, stitches clean enough to sell. Brother builds these to run. Number 9, SAWGRASS SG500. SAWGRASS SG500, $650. Designed exclusively for sublimation, not a converted inkjet. Prints on mugs, phone cases, mouse pads, shirts, tote bags, photo panels. One printer, 100 different products. My brother-in-law runs a full custom merch business with just this and a heat press. He ships orders from a spare bedroom. Anti-clog technology means it works reliably after months sitting idle between big runs. Number 8, VEVOR Candy Vending Machine. VEVOR Candy Vending Machine, $190. Triple compartment. Gumballs, capsule toys, mixed candy. Coin operated. Place it in a barber shop, laundromat, or waiting room. No electricity. No inventory system to manage. The machine collects quarters while you sleep. A guy at my barber has 7 of these spread across town. He checks them once a week, not glamorous. The checks come in anyway. Number 7, VEVOR Cotton Candy Machine. VEVOR Cotton Candy Machine, $128. 1000 watts, stainless steel bowl. Storage drawer built in. Cotton candy creates a crowd. You spend 25 cents in sugar and sell it for $4 to $5 a bag. One busy Saturday market can pay for this machine. I took one to a school carnival. left with cash and a line of kids who hadn't gotten theirs yet. Top 5. If this has been useful, hit like. It takes 1 second. The next 5 are the machines people still reference 2 years after buying them. Number 6. DJI Mini 4 Pro. DJI Mini 4 Pro, $815. Under 250 grams, skips the heavy FAA registration tier. 4K camera, 34 minutes of flight time, omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Real estate photography is the obvious income path. Agents pay $150 to $300 per shoot. Events, weddings, and content creation add 3 more. I got my Part 107 license in 3 weeks. First paid real estate shoot covered the drone in 1 day. Number 5. ATOMSTACK A20 Pro. ATOMSTACK A20 Pro, $400. 20-watt diode laser engraves wood, acrylic, leather, coated metal, cuts thin materials. Same technology people use to make $200 custom gifts for $4 in materials. 45 minutes from box to first cut. Software is free. Learning curve is 2 to 3 hours. I've seen people with 0 experience running a full order queue inside a month. Online shop owners, craft market regulars, repeat order gift businesses. All started with a kitchen table and this machine. Number 4. ELEGOO SATURN 4 Ultra. ELEGOO SATURN 4 Ultra, $494. 10-inch 16K mono LCD. Sharpest resin print quality at this price. Prints at 150 mm per hour. Custom miniatures, jewelry molds, architectural models, cosplay props. Clients pay $30 to $150 per piece for things that cost $1.50 in resin. The custom print market never cooled down, and buyers know the difference between entry-level and this. Number 3. MWE 360 Photo Booth. MWE 360 Photo Booth, $749. Motorized spinning arm, RGB light strip, app remote, flight case for transport, all included. This is an event rental business. Weddings, corporate parties, birthdays. You charge $200 to $500 per event. 1 booking pays for the machine. A woman in my city bought this in March. By June, she had 14 events booked and a waiting list. You show up, you set up. The crowd does the marketing for you. Number 2. VEVOR Vacuum Freeze Dryer. VEVOR Vacuum Freeze Dryer, $3,660. Yes, the price is real. This is a legitimate commercial freeze dryer. 8 to 13 pounds per batch, 4-layer trays, vacuum pump included. Here's why it's number 2. Freeze-dried candy. Gummies, sour rings, peach bites. The freeze-dried version sells for 5 to 8 times the cost of materials. That side hustle blew up 2 years ago, and demand is still outrunning supply in every market I've checked. This machine is why. 14 machines down. Number 1 started more businesses this year than anything else here. Drop your guess. Ready? Here it is. Number 1. XTOOL S1 Laser Engraver. XTOOL S1 Laser Engraver, $849. Reason 1. It's a complete enclosed system. Class 1 safety rated, air assist included, honeycomb bed included. You are not buying a machine and spending $300 more to make it usable. Ready to run day 1. Reason 2. The income ceiling is the highest on this list. Personalized gifts, wedding decor, cutting boards, leather journals, custom signage. 6-figure incomes have been documented on this exact machine. Demand for custom engraved products has not slowed in 4 years. Reason 3. Beginner-friendly in a way most lasers are not. First project is an hour away from unboxing. I have seen people with 0 experience running a full order queue inside a month. If you buy 1 machine from this list, buy this one. Which machine surprised you most? Drop it in the comments. I read every one. If this helped, hit subscribe. Next video, the tools that let you turn existing skills into cash with 0 upfront cost. Don't let these sit in a tab you never close.